I'm going to share with you some simple tips that you can start doing right now that will help you dramatically improve your trading performance. When I began trading, I blew up an account playing options and I lost $1,500. I used these same tips that I'm going to be sharing with you to improve my trading, and I have not had a single red month since. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, I'm Eric, and if you're new to my channel, we go over live trades and discuss strategy, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. The first tip which you can begin to use right now to improve your trading is simply to record and review each trading session. I started doing this 5 months ago and the improvement I made was quick and significant. You need to record every single time you trade and scrutinize the recording looking for mistakes and areas for improvement. This tip is extremely useful because while you are trading there's a lot to focus on and it is easy to miss important details. And by going back to watch your trades, you can see what you did wrong and it will help you improve tremendously. To record your trades, I'd suggest using Streamlabs OBS. It's incredibly simple to use. All you have to do is install it, add a scene and a source, and then you're ready to go. For our next tip, it's actually something very simple and it's something that you probably already do, which is to trade every single day. The only way to improve at something is to practice, so whether you don't feel ready to live trade or you don't have the money, there are still options available to you. Paper trading is what you should be doing, and I'd suggest trying Thinkorswim. I used it myself and I went through my own paper trading challenge, and for anybody watching that is currently unable to trade profitably, I'd suggest trying paper trading. If you do decide to give paper trading a try, you should set a realistic balance so that it feels very real to you, and then I would not recommend going live until you have managed to at least 5x the account. This third tip is actually the tip that I believe is the most important tip in the video and will have the most impact on your trading performance. It's actually something that I learned from being a student, which is how to learn. The third tip is to teach your strategy as often and to as many people as you can. This is actually called the protege effect, which is a psychological phenomenon where teaching, pretending to teach, or preparing to teach information to others can help you learn that information. I have taught or explained my strategy to well over 100 people, and the chances are, if you've spoken to me on Discord, that I have explained my strategy to you. Some of my biggest groundbreaking realizations were during or after explaining how I trade to another person. Teaching is far more effective than simply reading books or studying strategies on your own. Studies show students who spend time teaching what they've learned go on to show a better understanding and knowledge retention than the students who simply spend that same time studying. So what I'm saying is to go out and teach. If you don't have anybody willing to listen or discuss, then teach yourself. You'll find a deeper understanding either way. The last tip is something that you're already doing if you've been on my channel, which is to watch other traders. Watching other traders trade live has helped me improve enormously. But when I'm watching these videos, I'm not doing it for entertainment. What I want you to do is to pretend like you're a coach on the sidelines of a sport game and scrutinize their trades looking for mistakes. And when you think you've found one, then you should use that as a moment to practice teaching. Then, if you really want to, you can leave a long form comment on the YouTuber's video telling them why they suck at trading. Alright guys, that is going to conclude this video, and I hope you have found my tips to improve at trading useful and that you are able to use them to become an even better trader. I know that I've had a pretty inconsistent upload schedule, but I'm going to be uploading more frequently, so subscribe now if you aren't already. I'll keep posting my live trades and I'll provide some helpful content on the side. I hope you all have a beautiful rest of your week, and I hope to see you all later.